Hello and welcome to this course. Now before we get started with the course, let us first take a look at what this course has in store. So in this course, we will be building DAX formula using the most commonly and most prominently used DAX functions that would help with the day-to-day activities to a great extent for someone who deals with data analysis. We will be looking at problem statements to which we will be providing data insights with the help of DAX functions. Now, why should one have a good command in DAX? With the help of DAX, you will be able to unleash the capabilities of Power Pivot, Power Query and also Power BI. Okay, now you must be wondering whether this course is meant for you. So if you are someone who is into creating reports and performing data analysis, then making use of DAX in your data analysis routine will definitely give you an edge over others who don't. What are the prerequisites for you to get started with this course? Well, you must have Power BI Desktop installed on your system, which can be downloaded free of cost. And you must also be familiar with the interface of Power BI Desktop, as we will not be covering that in this course. You must also have a knowledge of how to create data models in Power BI and create relationship between different data tables. So before we dive into creating DAX formulas in this course, I will take you through the data sets I have used and what relationships are created between these data sets. Now, if you are someone who has an understanding of Excel function, it will be easier for you to understand DAX functions. But if you don't, do not worry. This course will provide you with all the basic understanding that would be required to create your own DAX formula. And of course, you must download the datasets provided with the course for hands-on experience and better understanding of the functions and their application. Now that we have a basic understanding of what is needed and what will be provided with the course, let's get started with DAX.